How to fix PlayStation mic not working. To fix the PlayStation's microphone that is not working, you simply have to first of all check your physical hardware and mute switches. Look at the small horizontal button directly below the PlayStation or PS logo on your DualSense controller. If it is glowing solid orange, your microphone is completely muted. Press it once to turn off the light and activate the mic itself, and also proceed to inspect the headset code. And you simply have to now configure the system audio routing manually. Go to the settings on the top right corner from your home screen, then go to the sound option and head to microphone. Click the input device and make sure your specific headset or controller microphone is selected from the list itself. And select the adjust microphone label as well and ensure the microphone status when logged in. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.